Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can verify your account on the KuCoin crypto trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the KuCoin application on your device and make sure that you are logged in using your credentials. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the homepage, from which if you haven't already verified your account, you will get the verify account option right at the homepage. Just tap on this button and then tap on get verified. You can then choose your country or region and then choose your ID type. The passport is recommended by default, but you may choose any of the other documents as well. After making your selection, tap on the next button and then enter your first and your last name, followed by your document number. After entering all three of these, you can tap on the next button and you will be prompted to take a photograph of your document. Tap on the take photo button and then allow access to your camera. This will now open up your camera and you will be prompted to snap the various pages of your document. Just provide all of the documents that are mentioned, and once you have submitted these documents, your documents will be sent for verification. Now you will just need to wait for a few moments until your documents are verified, and after this, you will get a notification letting you know that your verification has been completed. After this, you can begin to make your deposits and buy crypto as well as trade using the platform. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to verify your account on the KuCoin crypto trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.